Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use the Tradingview webhooks. Alright, this is going to be a quick video. I'm not going to waste too much time on this one at all. Just going to give you guys a quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's jump straight into it. The first step will be to access the webhook feature. Now you can access the webhook feature by simply clicking on the webhook button that's on the Tradingview dashboard. Step 2 is going to be to create a new webhook. So you can just create a new webhook by clicking on the new webhook button. And once that's done, step 3 is to configure your webhook. So go ahead and configure your webhook by setting up the trigger, the payload, as well as the destination. And that brings us to the fourth and final step, and that's to test your webhook. So you can go ahead and test your webhook to ensure that it is working accurately. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use the Tradingview webhooks. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next.